Hello everyone, this is Jayant and today we are going to talk about BYJU'S BNET scholarship exam where you can get around 100% scholarship exam. That means that you can get tablet for absolutely free. The first 100 top 100 students will get all the courses of BYJU'S which you have opted before answering BNET exam. You will get it for free. Now let us discuss what is this BNET exam, how to register it, and what are the deliverables and what are the features you get after answering this. Let's get started. First of all, let us talk about how to register or how to apply for this BYJU'S BNET scholarship exam. So preferably you will need a laptop for that, or you can also register with your mobile phone. So there is a link in description below the like button. Please click on that and you will directly be directed to this website. Also, if you are watching this video on any other date or in future, this window might not pop up to register. Otherwise, when the BNET exam is not announced, you will get only the results window. So please, at those times, please wait and watch every day, or call BYJU'S mentor. If you search on Google BYJU'S helpline number, you can always find their number, and please call them and ask when is the next BYJU'S BNET exam happening, and they will tell you the date, and accordingly please register yourself around 6 to 7 days earlier to the exam. So this is a website you need to visit for registration. You may not read all of this because I've mentioned all the deliverables and the things which you want for this BNET exam in this video. So watch this video till the end. Now let us click on the register now button, and here you have to enter your mobile number, and after that the OTP will come. Let's fill the OTP right now and click registration. After that you have to fill your name, which exam you are opting for, such as now I have passed my 12th standard, so I'm selecting that. You need to select your state and other all details and click register. After that your register window will open and they will show you when is the exam happening and all of the details, and also if you scroll down, there is also portion for physics, chemistry and maths. Please read this portion because it is very important for you to study it. This was a simple process to register for the BYJU'S BNET exam, and after that you will get around 6 to 7 reminders on your email, on your SMS, and also you can opt in for WhatsApp, so you can also get your reminders on WhatsApp so you don't miss the exam. Considering the security of the exam, you need to just on your webcam, and you cannot open the second tab, so there is no threat of cheating. So there are 3 categories of students answering this exam. First is 10th standard to 11th standard, and the timing for you is 10 AM to 11:30 AM. So in that timing your classes will be taken. This is for students who are moving from 10th to 11th. Second category is from 11th to 12th, who have passed 11th standard and now currently studying in 12th standard. Your timing is the same, 10 to 11:30, and you need to attend live trainings and your studies will happen on this timing. And the last category is 12th passed, the people like me who have already passed the 12th standard and are studying for JEE, NEET and various competitive exams. Your timing is 2 PM to 3:30 PM. Also, there is a chart regarding the details of the exam. Here I am pasting it, so you can pause and definitely read this. Here you can find all of the information such as number of questions, negative marking. Please pause and read this. Also, this exam will be conducted in objective mode, so there will be 4 options given, A, B, C, D, and you need to take the right answer. Also, there might be more than one correct answer, so please verify your answer, and there might be more than one answer also. Also, this test lasts for 1.5 hours. You need to complete all the questions, and the number of questions varies from which standard you are studying. So please refer to the chart which I have already mentioned in the previous part of the video. So as you saw in my registration process, my exam is on 2nd May at 2 PM. So till 2:30 PM I can answer this exam. After that my application will be discarded. Also make sure your internet connection is stable, because if your internet goes in between, your exam will be cancelled. Also make sure you don't open another tab or close your browser, because if you do that you cannot open your exam again, and in second device there is only one device where you have to open the exam. Also you need to put on your webcam continuously while answering the test, so there is no chance of you to copy. Also, if you are busy for various other reasons on the date of BNET exam, getting happened, so there is no facility to reschedule it. You need to wait for a month and answer the exam in the next month. Also, if you have any further questions regarding the BNET exam, although I have mentioned a lot of info in this video, you can mail Byju's on this email ID. Please, if you are getting login errors and all of the other issues, you can always mail Byju's on that email ID. The email ID is bnetqueries@byju's.com. So please feel free to email Byju's. They will respond you immediately, as this is a scholarship exam. Next thing, let's talk about the results. Results will be announced after the 2 days of examination being happened. So if my examination is on 2nd May, so our results will be out on 4th May. Now let us summarize all the deliverables of this Byju's BNET exam and all of the features which it provides. And I also have to read it because there are many features. First is Byju's scholarship program, where you can get around 100% scholarship, which means that you will get the whole tablet for free based on your rank. As I've told you, you need to score from 1 to 100 to get tablet and all the scholarships. Also, there are various other awards based on your performances. The second thing to note is that you will get a learning skill report and you will get to learn new things. And also, third thing is you will also get career counseling. Lastly, you also get a scoreboard where all of the info such as your all India percentile, state percentile, city percentile and your regular percentage and the subject wise analysis will be provided to you. So these are the 4 important features you need to keep in mind before answering your Byju's BNET exam. Also, if you want to register for the BNET exam, you can always find a link in the description. So please go register yourself for the BNET Byju's scholarship exam. So at this point my camera battery got over, so I didn't got any chance to shoot the further video, but that was all about the BNET scholarship exam by Byju's. Please like the video and hit that like button, share it among your friends who are interested in knowing info about BNET, how to register and all about the deliverables about this exam. Lastly, subscribe to my channel for amazing analytical tech videos. This is Jayant signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.